Good. All right. How's it going, man? Okay. Are you sure? Put your hands together. Squeeze them nice and tight. Squeeze them tight. Squeeze them tight. Lock. Sorry, just can't get them apart. Wide awake. Now sit down. What's your name again? Lauren? Lauren, in my hand. Stare at my hand. Eyes are getting heavier, 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 and sleep. You who I'm touching now, wide awake. Lauren. Lauren, this is only going to affect you. Lauren, for the remainder of the show, you head up. You right away. Lauren, for the remainder of the show, every single time you hear the sound of a car skidding to a crash, safety is your #1 concern. You are the world's only human living seatbelt. Anytime you hear that car skid to a crash, you dive across everyone's laps on stage trying to pin them to the chairs. If you got a body surf to get them all, you try and get everyone. On the count of 3, you become wide awake. 1, 2, 3, wide awake. You. Okay, you. On the count of 3, the 4 of you are going to go chin to chest, deep sleep. 1, 2, 3, sleep. You 4 decided to form a punk rock band. But you wanted to be original. So the 4 of you went to bagpipe school and studied the bagpipes and learned how to play the bagpipes and became the world's best bagpipe players and the world's only bagpipe playing punk rock band. For the remainder of the show, every single time the 4 of you hear the sound of bagpipes, you get out of your chairs because you are live in concert and you start playing your bagpipes punk rock style. Here's how you play them. Your left thumb is your mouthpiece. Being guys, well, your bag is your bag. 1, 2, 3, wide awake. Back into your chairs. For the remainder of the show, you realize this to be very true. Your biggest pet peeve is people that cannot control their bodily functions. You think that's the grossest, the rudest thing anybody could ever do. Anytime you hear the sound of farting or burping or coughing or sneezing, pisses you right off. You gotta know who the hell did it. And if I point to someone, you don't touch them, but man, you let them know how rude they are. And you, for the remainder of the show, every single time you hear the sound of a guitar solo, you are Eddie Van Halen. And anytime you hear it, you have a guitar, and you take to the stage, rocking us out. 1, 2, 3, wide awake. Let's see what we got happening here. Wide awake. It's right here in the red top. Stay on stage.
Can't do that. Seriously? Make me come down there.
Wide awake. Wide awake. Wide awake. No, this is Van Halen. Keep your eyes open and watch the edge of that stage. You learned how to play it with a different body part. Show off. Wide awake. Your glasses, I think, are over there somewhere. No one will go on any chairs, tables, or